Now, do you want to know what an 18-year-old does in college at 1, 2 o'clock in the morning with somebody pull the damn fire alarm at least twice a week and everybody got to exit the building? In this clip, man, this is why it's very important that our young man stay focused, stay in control, and have something to do. Because when we don't got nothing to do, some stuff gonna be happening, man. But this video's from South Carolina State. It was recorded in 2002. It has some people I know on it. I ain't gonna say all the names because it may not want the names exposed. But it shows a pure scholarship athlete versus a guy who focused on drinking, picking up sloppy women, and bullshit the whole time. This guy the athlete was playing with this guy, and the other guy was throwing real punches, man. Y'all check this video out. The fire alarm just got pulled at 2 o'clock at night. We on college, we're pulling the fire alarm, we gotta get out the building. And check with the young black boys.
So many problems on my fucking head, nigga. Going around the corner, might turn head, nigga. Head, break, final powers want me dead, nigga. Before they drop me, I let them things fly, nigga. Now my finger half sleeve next to the trigger. About to bust his cracking on his pussy ass, nigga. The Undertaker, yeah, you be staying with him. Middle of July, 5 colder than a fucking winter.
Trouble on my mind, but ain't no trouble with my grind. Cause Ham got him an AK, cause there's trouble all the time. Don't niggas be no joke, run shit, you same boat. My fofo is Matt Dillon, all I see is gun flow. All I see is pain, death and hunger on the corner. These crackers trying to take my place and send me to the coroner. Black nigga with some dreads, treat him like a foreigner. So I pray like every day that my mom will be ain't more enough. Yeah, then my old lady say we through. First she love me, then she hate me, then I fuck her, then we cool. We go back, forth on some Aaliyah shit. So I smoke back to back, cause I don't need this shit. Easy said get him, so I'ma get him. I'ma murder every motherfucker that tried to take my Gerber on the server. Kill him, feel the fervor, toss a burner. Yeah, leave him in the field looking silly, color purple, and I'm gone.
Man, every day you can have a sunshine every day, man. But you got the ups and the downs, you know. You know, they hate on Jesus, you know, so why don't they on your broke ass? But in the Bible, it says, if you do good by him, your enemies will be with you. So if you ain't doing good by him, your enemies gonna be against you, Jack.
1:50 in the morning. 1:55. Y'all believe this shit? On a Thursday night, these niggas out here fighting. So somebody pulled the fire alarm. Somebody pulled the fire. They just real shit. 1:55. So we just gonna watch these niggas fight. Yeah, I remember this. You remember that? Yeah. Oh! Hit him! Look, watch out, dog. You straight. Oh! Hit his ass! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! This dude like this so hard.